Picture this. After spending all night compiling the quarterly report, you burst into your manager's office, slide the folder across the desk, and say, what? If you say, I did the work, the moment falls flat. It sounds like a piece of trivia from yesterday, not the urgent victory you're trying to communicate right now. That's because the simple past tense locks your action away in history. It tells the listener an event occurred, but it physically severs that event from the present moment. The task is over, and grammatically, it stays buried in the past. This creates a linguistic vacuum. When you're standing there holding the results of your labor, you need a grammatical structure that explicitly grabs that finished action and drags it right into your current, ongoing situation. Bridging this gap ensures your results are recognized in the moment. When the stakes are high, the correct tense signals that your work is finished, that it is relevant, and ready to be used. The tool designed specifically for this job is the present perfect tense. To see how it works, look at this timeline. First, this isolated dot represents the simple past. The action is finished and entirely disconnected. Now, the continuous line is the present perfect. The past action's result actively collides with your present. The present perfect operates as a literal bridge, allowing you to pull the weight of your past efforts directly into your current conversation. Let's see how this bridge is built using a classic example. He has done the work. This sentence relies on 3 specific components to function. We have our subject, an auxiliary verb, and a past participle. The heavy lifting is done by the auxiliary verb, in this case, has. This tiny word acts as the anchor point. It firmly roots the entire sentence in the present time. Then we have the past participle, done. This represents the actual physical action that was completed back in the past. The formula is perfectly consistent. Look at another example. He has finished his duty. You have your present anchor, has, combined with your past action. Fusing a present anchor to a past action is the linguistic blueprint for the timeline bridge, a pattern found across many different languages. Once you understand the mechanics, the real-world psychological impact becomes clear. When you tell someone, I have done the work, you are signaling a change in status. You are telling the listener that the job is complete and you are now available for the next challenge. This declaration shifts the focus from a historical fact to a present reality. It makes your past efforts useful to the person standing in front of you. This logic extends beyond English. Most languages require a specific way to show that a past event has present weight. The science of sarf, for example, is the study of how Arabic words change their form specifically to communicate these shifts in time and status. Ultimately, the present perfect grounds your achievements in the here and now. It ensures that your history remains an active, relevant part of your current conversation.